How to upload NFTs on Opensea.io. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to upload NFTs on Opensea.io. So first thing, go to your Opensea account and log in, and also link it with your MetaMask right here. And after you finish, all what you have to do is go to this create option, click on it, and now you can add your NFT here and the name of it, and also your links, for example your website, and the description of your NFT right here, and choose the collection if you have made a collection, and the number of items that can be minted, also the blockchain of your NFT. There is two options: Polygon or Ethereum. After you finish, just click create and everything will be done. If this video was helpful for you, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video till the end.